all, it has a beautiful culture which I would like to learn about, and they have beautiful place to visit. BINUS University is another kind of university that not only teaching us about the practical but also technical. So we don't only learn about theory, but we only practice. Right now I am majoring in business management and marketing, and the reason that I chose this major because first of all, I am growing up in Phnom Penh, which is a capital city in Cambodia, and while growing up, I've seen a lot of business going on, and then that's why I choose the marketing. And also, you can say there is a business plot in myself already. When I was a child, I always dreamed to be a businesswoman. I am passionate myself to be a businesswoman. That's why I chose business management and marketing. I cannot describe it clearly, actually, because I was so happy and excited to get the scholarship, and it took me a long time until I got the scholarship. Actually, it was not easy to apply for a scholarship. They want you to have a good grade in high school so that you can be better in the university. And I think the interview process, they will ask you about to use your critical thinking, so to test whether you are flexible or not, and you have to answer it. And yeah, I remember the experience, and it was quite interesting and memorable. The lecturers are very friendly and helpful. This is the one thing that I noticed when I entered BINUS International, because they are very helpful and very reachable, so you can reach them at any time and they would reply us and help us. As I said before, in BINUS we not only study about the theory, but we also practice. So when we have the assignment or the project, so we would go to interview the real people from the real company so that we can get the real experience from the expert. And I love that part of BINUS, and also a lot of seminar, talk show, join to get more experience, more outside experience. And there are a lot of our alumni from BINUS that are very successful people, like entrepreneur, or some work at international organizations, so that you can reach them, you know about them, and then you can ask for their experience. I love that part.